Good morning. My name is Nathan Parks, and this is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle is quite unique as it has only 7,600 original miles, so you can basically get into the latest model Cadillac XTS chassis, basically brand new. Black with a silver stripe, flag mounts and staffs on the front end, front wheel drive, upgraded brakes, everything built on that commercial certified chassis from Cadillac. Once again, that's the XTS. You do have pretty much every upgrade you can have on a Platinum Phoenix. BNC pillar chrome, Tuxedo top, along with a crown band. Fully composite number 2 doors here. Interior wise, Madagascar floor, closed church truck well, so you do get that door to flip up or flip down. That way you can store the church truck horizontally or vertically. Umbrella tray, it's a light gray interior. It does have some embroidery all over the inside that says Cadillac and Platinum Coach and everything, so it does dress it up well. Looking towards the rear here, once again, fully composite body. So everything on this converted into a hearse is composite. Rear load door, number 2 doors on the side, so no chance of corrosion or rust. This does also have BNC pillar stainless on the rear here, so load door stainless along with that on the BNC pillars up front. So overall, pretty much every upgrade you can get. Built-in urn carrier with a bifold carpet. The carpet is snapped in, so if you don't like it, you can remove it. Popping this up here. Nice little background here with the 2 urn stanchions, so you can flip up and down. This vehicle has not been serviced yet, so please, if you see any blemishes, they will be touched up. This is a 7,600 mile vehicle. It will look absolutely brand new when we're done with it. Interior wise though, wheel boxes are in great shape. It is that lighter suede gray, kind of unique, very premium feel. Each window box is lit up on the inside, so each box on the left and right with Platinum logos, along with your 3 traditional LEDs in the top ceiling. Both the driver and the passenger side, or the church truck and then the spare tire well, do have flip-up lids, so they both are closed wells, which is nice to have. On this rear load door here, you do get a backup camera located down below here. No backup sensors on the XTS chassis, that was not included. Platinum Landau bar on the side, all recessed in with their big badging, along with LED coach lamps and some more signature badging down below. Opening the number 2 door here, full-size matching spare tire. Matches, basically it's a 5th wheel for the vehicle. That way you can swap it out if you ever run into an issue mid-funeral, before the funeral, or just in general. Once again, is closed lid again as well. There are nameplate holders on the number 2 door here for your funeral home's nameplate. Nice and easy, thumb screws, pretty standard. I just always like to point them out. Jumping into the driver's seat here, full leather throughout. Both the driver and the passenger seat are fully powered. Interior wise, once again, 6,700 mile car, or sorry, 7,400 mile car. Let's jump into the driver's seat and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, you have a plentiful amount of creature comforts, leather wrapped wheel, power telescoping and tilt column, automatic headlights, cruise control, media controls on the right. You even have paddle shifters in this car. Push button start with a key fob, full touchscreen infotainment, AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you name it, it has it. Only thing to note is on the XTS body style, which this is the last year of, you are limited to wired only Apple CarPlay and wired only Android Auto. Inside here, 2 cup holders. You do get the key fob. 2 key fobs for this car, lock and lock, remote start. The trunk button no longer works. Obviously it started its life as a sedan. Down here you have a cigarette lighter output for 12 volt. You also have 2 USBs in here. One's a USB-A, one's a USB Type-C. There is a holder down here for the key fob. If the key fob ever dies, you can place it in that hole and then it lets you start the engine even with a dead key fob, just in case. So this vehicle does not currently have strobes, but it is pre-wired for strobes, which is quite unique. That way, if you'd like to add strobes during the point of sale, either 2-way clear, 4-way clear, 2-way purple, or 4-way purple, or a mismatch, we can do that as well. The switch is already in the vehicle, so it makes the process much easier for you to be able to add those, and we can put those in the grille, or even do fender strobes on the sides, whatever your preference. But this vehicle, please note, is already pre-wired for strobes, so you do have a switch here. Currently, it does nothing. However, it can have strobes easily added as there are already drops in the front hood compartment. Overall, black carpet, black interior, black leather wrap dash, and black driver and passenger seat, both leather and both fully powered. They are not heated. You cannot get heated seats until the XT5 chassis or the one chassis newer than this. So unfortunately, you're stuck with plain leather seats. Overall, once again, 7,600 miles on this car. Absolutely brand new and looks very stunning. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. Once again, this is fully kitted out. Front flag mounts, BNC pillar stainless, rear load door stainless, crown band, tuxedo top, black with a silver stripe and a black interior. It does also have a Madagascar rear casket floor and that built-in urn carrier with that beautiful bifold carpet as well that you can pop in and out with the snaps. 7,600 original miles last year, the 2019 XTS. So last year on this body style with the updated headlights and rear taillights. Beautiful car. Please give me a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parksuperior.com where you can see 80+ photos of this vehicle, a walk around demo, and this beautiful demo right here. Once again, thank you very much.